it's Matthew646 here, and today we're going to be making the fluffy slime. Let's do this. So I have my brother here. You should check out his channel. He does music videos. And so you start by pouring a lot of glue. A lot of it. Can you help me?
Sure.
So this is going to be the base of your slime. So
how do you get these things out?
just pour it.
Blub blub blub. This is. I feel like it was like this Diary of Wimpy Kid books where they just show like doing something and they just do like the sound for it afterwards, like the blub blub blub.
So anyways, remember to like, subscribe, please. Can't wait to hit 100,000. And yeah.
Dude, I think you're pretty far from that. No offense.
Anyways.
Oh, I only have 6 subscribers.
Anyways. Okay, can you pour that last one?
If I can get the cap off. It farted.
Okay, so in the meantime, you're gonna get another bowl and you're gonna get some of your borax.
The very crappy borax powder.
So you just pour some in. That's a lot.
That is a lot.
Definitely.
You're gonna make a poo slime.
Yeah, that's a bit too much. So, way too much.
That's.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the slime after.
Oh God. Kids, do not try this at home. You will die. There's still some left in there. It's like we're endlessly dripping out.
So you should only take 1 tablespoon. I'm sorry, guys. And then just add a bit of water.
Yeah, you just add some water and now stir it. Should I get the food coloring?
Okay, so put the food coloring in there, the green one. And now here's where the slime will be fluffy. Shaving cream.
All right. Well, what's left of it?
Pour a little bit in.
Dude, do not smash it on the glass
Pour a little
table.
bit in. Just to give it a weird look, and put a bit of yellow.
It's gonna go like all like limey green now.
Okay, so now.
And now what should I mix it with?
Now we're gonna put our shaving cream in. This is gonna make it fluffy. 2 hours later.
Yeah. Hey, can you give me some of that afterwards?
Here you
Thank you. Hang on, I gotta do this in the washroom.
Okay, he's gonna be back.
I'll be back in a minute, don't worry.
So anyways, you start by mixing your solution. And I'm gonna add a lot more of this. No.
I always wanted to appear.
Okay, he's in the background. So you just keep mixing this. And mixing it. And mix all of your shaving cream until you think it looks good. So I don't know if you can guys see this through the bowl, but it kind of looks like that. So you just keep mixing it. So this is just glue and shaving cream. Could you pour a bit more in?
More food coloring?
No, more shaving cream.
It's more like a liquid.
Okay, good. Stop. I think that's it. Can you pour more food coloring? I added a lot more. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Josh, I think that's enough.
Let's just see how it looks.
So we're just trying to stir the last of this.
I think we should have gone to yellow.
Can you get some yellow then? Yellow, please. No, I want to mix it more. Josh, please. No, I know. Stop. This is tearing my arm. I don't want to mix it more.
Here, I'll mix it. Right here.
No, because I want. No, whatever.
Here, just give me the.
Here. So now, you start stirring it, and I'm gently gonna pour this in. No, please no.
Just let me just add a little more yellow.
Okay, we want it to like make this like neon look good.
Okay, let's just see how that comes out. It's not really looking like a slime cone though. I'm just
So could you please just pour?
Okay.
Start stirring while I gently pour this in.
Oh, it's going slimy. It's
Is
going.
it slimy enough?
It kind of went like poo-poo slime. Okay, that definitely is not helping.
Wait, stop. And now we're just gonna add a bit of this.
Look at what it's doing.
Start stirring. Can I try, please?
We need more green coloring.
No, you can't do it now. Now it's too late.
Just keep trying. Just keep trying.
Well, okay, fine. We'll try. But if it
It looks like a rain. It looks like a green brain.
have you ever ever seen anybody decapitate a brain? I have. So this looks a lot like poo poo. So now I'm gonna see how this.
Oh, it smells like poo poo too.
Feel. Oh my gosh, it's like slimish. Like
That's too slimy.
yeah, I think we had a little bit too much box.
You got way too much borax. Dude, get this off the table. This is dangerous.
I'm just gonna put that in. Hey, stop.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, take some. Sure.
Oh my god!
Take some.
Oh, that feels so.
Take some. So there you guys, you have your slime.
Oh my god! What is this?
I'm sorry guys, it wasn't fluffy. I need more shaving. Yeah. But it's slime. It's like
This is not slime at all.
it's slime.
No, it's not. Slime is a liquid.
Okay, I guess this isn't slime, but it's a cool slime that you can put in your hair if you want. Hope you do.
It's very mint green.
Is there any more shaving cream? No. So, anyways,
It doesn't smell very good.
that will wrap it up for this video. And I guess I will see you all later. Bye!
Big